Mr. and Mrs. Dlamini, do you believe those married should have access to their partner's phone?
Yes, I do believe that. What do you believe?
Yes, I do believe. Because honestly, phones are the list of things. We need to share everything. So what is on my phone?
My phone belongs to her.
My husband has a right to see it.
You have
What
my
is
password.
in his phone, I have a right to see it. Yes, I have his password.
Can I have
He
your
has
phone?
My passwords.
This is my phone. Her phone is my phone. I have a right to her phone. Why? Because those who are married are one. We share phones, so for us it's not a problem. This is just a tool. It's not a private property. This is a tool. We share our sweaters, gadgets, everything. So yeah.
So yes,
Yeah.
those married have a right to each other's phones.